Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best method to get a free Shein gift card in 2025. You're able to get a $750 Shein gift card for completely free using a simple code. And I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get it, guys. I spent a few hours this morning trying tons of different things to get a gift card. And I finally managed to find a working way to do this, guys. And it's going to allow you to get a $750 gift card for completely free for Shein. And it takes a few minutes of your time. So just make sure you follow these steps and instructions that I'm going to show you in this tutorial, guys. And let's get you your free Shein gift card working in 2025. So open up the internet on your phone. I'm using an iPhone, as you can see, but it doesn't matter which phone you have. You, of course, need an internet connection. And you've got to go to cold coupons. So type it like this, guys. www.cold, coupons.com. So just spell it like that, guys, to go to the website. And this is an awesome coupon code website. They have a search function at the top of the screen here. So tap on that search bar and just search for Shein. And here we go, Shein coupons. There's 3 different coupon codes to get. You can get a Shein promo code. And as I mentioned, you can get a $750 Shein gift card. And you can also get free points as well. So I'm going to choose the 750 gift card. You can see they're highly rated and tons of people are doing this even as we speak. So click on get code and this just confirms your choice. And you can see at the bottom, you need to get your full code. So tap on that and wait for this to load up. Pretty easy, guys. It takes a few seconds for this to load. And now it says your coupon code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So essentially, guys, you need to verify to unlock the full code. So tap on get full code. And now you're going to see the code unlocker. And it says here, complete 2 tasks to unlock your code and follow the instructions for each. So you're going to have a list of completely free things on here. These can be things like answering questions in surveys. So this one is a survey where you would answer questions and basically input your valid and correct email because it does verify you are a real person. And you can see there is a description telling you what to do below each one. So this one at the bottom says install, open and register a free account. So this is basically a mobile app where you would download it and just basically create an account on it. It's all completely free. It does take about 5 minutes to do these, but once you do them, it will redirect you back to cold coupons. And obviously I'll just skip forward, but yeah, your code will be fully unlocked if you complete the verification and you redeem it in the Shein website or in the app, and it's going to supply you with a $750 Shein gift card. So pretty easy, guys. It does take a few minutes to do this. So you just got to go to cold coupons and find the Shein gift card coupon. So you can either go to the Shein brand or just select the 750 gift card one. And enjoy, guys. Smash the like button if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.